Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to create a video with just your manuscript, which we call text to video. How you can create this video in less than 5 to 7 minutes. All right. So my name is Sylvester, and I want to say welcome to the Digital Librarians channel. So very quickly, let's get to it. The first thing you need to do is to open the AI app, which is a web-based platform called the VideoGen. So all you need to do is, for instance, go to Google and type VideoGen and hit the enter button on your keyboard. Most likely, you're going to get the first result saying VideoGen.io. Yes, that's the correct app. You click on VideoGen.io, and then you just immediately see that the platform opens for you. This is the AI platform that uses text to generate professional videos with just one click, okay? If you scroll down, you'll learn further more about this AI tools. So you click on get started for free. I'm actually taking this from scratch, so this video might be longer than I thought it would. So immediately you click on get started for free. It takes you into signing up. If you already have an email, you could just type your email and sign in. But if not, you could just continue with Google. In this case, I'm going to be continuing with my Google account. So I don't need to start filling any sort of form. So I'm currently registering using my Google account. So my account is all set up, like you can see right now on the screen. So this is the whole environment, VideoGen, generate video option. If you just want to create a video, because of the scope of what I want to teach you in this video, I won't be showing you other functions on this website. All you just need to do is click on generate video to generate your video. So I'll click on generate video, and immediately you click on generate video. Next you see is, it says, first, let's create a script for the AI voiceover. So in this case, I already have a script. So I'm going to copy and paste my script here. So it says, describe your script in a few words or sentences and let VideoGen generate a voiceover script for you. Now, the AI feature can actually help to do that, but I prefer starting from scratch so that every one of us can understand how to do this on your own. So I'll click the option that says start a blank video, like from scratch. So it takes me into another environment. When you are in this environment, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options in the menu area where you are going to be using to customize your video. The first thing you need to do is ensure that you already have a script. So all you need to do, like you can see here, is you enter a text that needs to be narrated by AI. To save our time, I've already prepared a text. So the text is in 4 paragraphs. It says, recently I created a testimonial video. So if you read this script, it is about how I want my video and everything I want my video to be all about, okay? Then the next thing I need to customize is the background. Usually I love it on the medium to make things balanced. Background has to do with the visuals that we show. And please take note, the AI feature goes to all the stock media online to get all the visuals it needs. The third option here is the copyright-free music. Why I like this particular AI tool is most of the soundtrack or music you hear, most of them are free to use on YouTube and anywhere. So I'm going to choose in any sound that is inspirational. So I'm just going to try one of these. I don't like that. It sounds too harsh. So I'm going to check this. Wow, beautiful. So, okay, good. I think I like that music better. But take note that should you want to use your own preferred soundtrack or maybe your own voice, you could come here to upload your voice notes, or your narration, or you could come here to upload no, you could come here to upload your preferred soundtrack, but take note that you have to subscribe to the pro version to do that, right? So So for now, let's just revert to the copyright-free music, limitless dreams. Then the fourth step is you need to choose the voice of the narrator. You see there's John, there's Ava, there's Sophia. The red and blue symbols there indicates a male or female voice. So if I click on this.
Welcome to the future of video.
So you see that's a male voice, but I think I love Sophia's voice.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes.
So I'll just use Sophia's voice. And the last option to customize in preparing my video in less than 7 minutes is the captions. How would I want to, if I don't want any captions, I could just click on this option. And if I want captions, I click on this option. So usually I used to love purple, but I no more love purple because of my brand. I'm choosing blue because it resonates more with my brand. And then I'll come to the size, I'll change the size to large. So having done all this, I am through with customizing my preferences on what I would want this video script to look like. The next thing I now do is click on Generate Video. So immediately you click on Generate Video, it just takes it a little while and you see that the AI creates a video for you. So what has happened is the AI feature used your text to go online and get stock images and videos that matches the script you gave it over here. So now let us play this video and see what it looks like.
Recently, I created a testimonial video in less than 7 minutes for the Digital Librarian using an AI tool called VideoGen. VideoGen is one of many AI tools that allows you to create a video from just texts. Colleagues of mine who saw the testimonial video I created got interested and requested that I teach them how. So, instead of teaching individually, I decided to record this short tutorial describing how to create a text-to-video from scratch. Please drop a comment if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to this channel after watching this tutorial.
All right, we'll stop here for now. So what I'm going to advise is you can feel free to adjust the visuals and timing of this video to fit your style and your particular preferences. So welcome back, and this is one of many other tutorials that I provide for professionals, and I invite you to join us for a 3-day Library Automation Masterclass that's holding tomorrow, 26th July 2024. Our goal for that masterclass is to be able to raise 50 emerging masters of library automation and innovation across Africa. So one thing I would like to advise, if you think you're interested in that 3-day training, please reach out to me using the phone number showing on the screen right now, and so we can process your late registration before the time starts. So if you find this video really helpful, please drop a comment under the comment section and subscribe to this channel so you'll be able to gain access to learn more about the kind of things we do here. So thank you for watching and happy video creation. Bye.